Exercise 9.7. On your birthday, you measure the activity of the sample bismuth 210, which has a half-life of 5.01 days. The initial activity that you measure is 1 microcurie. A. What is the approximate activity of the sample on your next birthday? Calculate the decay constant, the mean life, and the initial number of atoms. Okay. Now what is given here is T half of bismuth is given. So what is the T half? T half value is 5.01 days. Okay. Now initial activity is given as 1 microcurie. Now we have to find it out the approximate activity of the sample on your next birthday. Okay. So first we'll go for finding activity of the sample. So that is, what is the formula? R is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to n into R0. First we'll go for calculating n. Okay, n is what? Total lifetime by half-life. So what is your total life? Here it is. In the next birthday you have to calculate. Next birthday means how much total life? 1 year. 1 year means how many days? 365 days. 365 by half-life is also given in days. So it is 5.01 days. Okay. So if you divide this, you will be getting it as 73. Okay. So what will you getting here? So n is equal to 73. So r is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 73 into r0 value is 1 microcurie. So that is 10 raised to minus 6. So what will you get here? I'll write the 1 by 2 raised to 73 as 2 raised to minus 73 into 10 raised to minus 6. So how to find out the value for 2 raised to minus 73? Then we have to go for the log value. Okay, log 2 raised to minus 73 is equal to, okay, 73 bar into log 2. Okay, so that is 73 bar into 0.3010. Okay, so if you take this value, you will be getting it as 22 bar 0.000. That is for anti-log value you will be taking. So this value is 10 raised to minus 22. This value is how much? 10 raised to minus 22 into 10 raised to minus 6. So we can write it as 10 raised to minus 22 microcurie itself. 10 raised to 6 you can write it as microcurie itself. So it is the R value we are getting it as 10 raised to minus 22 microcurie. So you can find out 10 raised to log 2 raised to minus 73 using what? Logarithmic values. The second part we have to go for calculating the decay constant. Now how to calculate the decay constant? Lambda is the decay constant, that is 0.6931 by T half. Okay, so you can write it as 0.6931 by, here T half is 5.01 days. So days should be converted into seconds. So 1 day is having 24 hours, that is into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. Okay, so that is 0.6931 divided by 5.01 into 86,400. Okay, so if you divide these values, you will be getting it as 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 6 second. 10 raised to minus 6 what? Second. Now the third point, we have to find out the mean life. So how to find out the mean life? Mean life is tau. Tau is equal to T half divided by 0.6931. So T half is how much? 5.01. Okay, divided by 0.6931. So we are getting the value here in days. We are going to find it out in days. If you divide this, you will be getting 7.23 days. The last part which you have to calculate is the total number of atoms, initial number of atoms. Okay, so initial number of atoms, that is n0 you have to calculate. So R0 is equal to lambda into n0. So n0 is equal to R0 by lambda. So R0 value is 1 microcurie by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 6 lambda value. Already we have calculated. So this is 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, what is 1 curie is? 1 curie is 3.7 into 10 raised to 10. Okay, so 1 microcurie is 10 raised to minus 6 into 3.7 into 10 raised to 10. So this and this will get cancelled. So 3.7 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to 10. So if you divide this, you will be getting 2.31 into 10 raised to 10 atoms. So this is the number of initial number of atoms.